Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn all about Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss's real name was Theodore Geisel. He not only wrote all of his own books, he also illustrated them, which means he drew all the pictures in his books. His books had fun drawings and rhymes. Theodore was born on March 2nd, 1904. He lived in Springfield, Massachusetts, and he was called Ted. His father worked at a zoo, and he often went to work with his father. Ted liked to draw the animals, but he drew them in funny shapes. He also drew cartoons for a school magazine. Later, he drew cartoons for magazines. Then he wrote his first book. The book used many rhymes. It was called "And to Think That I Saw It on Mulberry Street." It was about a parade. He wanted to write books that were easier for kids to read. So he wrote The Cat in the Hat. Then he wrote Green Eggs and Ham. They became popular. He wrote many more books. They had memorable characters. His favorite was The Grinch from How the Grinch Stole Christmas. His books had fun stories. They also taught serious lessons. Some even won awards. Dr. Seuss died on September 24th, 1991. His books remain popular today. The end.